Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make delicious food. Today I'll be making gizzard and pasta. I'll be leaving the list of ingredients in the comment section. Please don't want to check it out. I have gizzard, chopped tomatoes, green bell pepper and some yellow bell pepper. I also have here my groundnut oil. I will be using blended fresh pepper. And then I have my chopped onions, I have carrot, sweet corn, garlic paste, salt and maggi, curry, and finally pasta. So come with me as we cook. The first thing is to cook my gizzard. I added some salt and then I'll be adding some water to cook this up. I'll cook this for 10 to 20 minutes and then stir and then set aside. In a clean pan, I'll add my groundnut oil. I'll be frying the gizzard, allow to hot, and then add my gizzard and fry this for some minutes before moving to the next step. Now that the gizzard is well fried, I'll take this out of the oil and set aside. I will add my chopped onions and fry this for some minutes. Next, I will be adding my garlic paste and give this a stir. At this point, I will be adding some of my fresh blended pepper, also called a carot. I went ahead to blend that up with my blender. You can go and check that up. I have it in my shorts. Now I will be adding my carrot and stir this up. Now I will be adding my bell pepper, which are green, yellow and red bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper of your choice. Then followed by my chopped tomatoes, and then I will stir all this up and allow to cook for 2 to 4 minutes before adding the next ingredient. I will be adding my curry at this point. I will also be adding salt. I will add my maggi as well. I will stir everything together. I went ahead to cover this up to cook for 2 to 4 minutes. I will open up the pan and now I will be adding my fried gizzard. At this point, I will be adding the sweet corn and then I will stir everything together. While the sauce is simmering, I'll go over to the other side and cook our pasta. Now the water has boiled, I'll add some salt and then I will add the pasta. I'll be using pasta Fusilli. You can use any pasta of your choice. I will be cooking this pasta for 5 to 10 minutes or better still until it is well softened. Now that our pasta is well cooked, I'll take this out of the fire and show you the next step. I will take this out of the water in order for my pasta not to be too soggy. At this point, I will be adding the pasta to the sauce and then stir everything together thoroughly. Wow, our pasta is ready. Can you see that, guys? It was so yummy and so delicious. Do well to try this recipe out, and if you do, please tag me, like and share, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.